How to recover deleted Snapchat photos. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can recover deleted Snapchat photos. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to recover deleted Snapchat photos, first of all, try checking your phone's camera roll. So open up Snapchat and go to memories and go to your camera roll to see if sometimes you might have accidentally saved the photo. You can also go to your home section of memories, and the snaps that you might have sent, the photos that you received might have also been saved to your memories. You can also try to look for your My Eye section also to see if your photo is stored within that. But if this is not working, then we can request a data from Snapchat to download. So tap on a Bitmoji avatar from the top left, then tap the gear icon from the top right and just scroll down, and here we can see My Data. So tap on My Data option over here, and we will request Snapchat to download our data, which will also include a copy of all of the photos. So what we can do is here we can see export, select data to include. So what I will do is if your photos was within memories and other media, select memories and other media and uncheck all of those. If your photos was within a certain chat, select chat history and uncheck all of those. So wherever your photo was lying, select only that option, then tap on this little option called next option, then just select the data to include, then tap on submit, and Snapchat will send you the download link for your data where you might be able to see the photos as well. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.